Which of the following options is arranged in ascending order? The smallest should be first. So this is 0, negative, negative, negative. This is wrong. All the choices are negative. These are all negative. These are all negative. So 0 should be the largest of these. The other 4 numbers are negative. 0 is not negative. So this sequence, this set of numbers, if arranged in ascending order, will end with 0. And if you look at all the numbers, they're all minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4. Numbers between minus 1 and 0. So I'm going to put 0 here, minus 1 here. Minus half is smack in between. Minus 1 by 3, that means you break this distance into 3 parts. This will be minus 1 by 3. Break it into 4 parts, be minus 1 by 4. 5 parts, be minus 1 by 5. Or if you're arranging this in ascending order, we'll have minus half less than minus 1 by 3, less than minus 1 by 4, less than minus 1 by 5, less than 0. Remember, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. Half is greater than 1 by 5. Half of something will be greater than 1/5 of something. You're breaking it something into 2 equal pieces and getting 1. Instead of that, you break it into 5 equal pieces and get it 1. The 2 equal pieces part will be higher. So this is a larger magnitude. So minus 1 by 2 will be less than minus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 5, 0 is the right answer. Choice B.